I wanted to make a quick video. Hello, people. I wanted to make a quick video on a point I'm trying to making. Sometimes when I'm eating, I sometimes inadvertently leave a spoon behind. Now, when I was on parole, when the police come in on a pop-in check, they assume immediately when a spoon's not in the kitchen that you're cooking crack. You look at the bottom of the spoon real carefully and see if there's burn marks and so forth. Well, look, I don't smoke crack, you assuming idiot motherfuckers out there, including Ama, when the shit's got it started on my front porch because he thought I was cooking crack because I have a spoon in my house. No, actually, in that incident, I was walking out the door with a spoon in my hand, trying to deliver roach powder. Oh, you might say, he's breaking the law because he's exterminating without a license. Well, wasn't exterminating. Well, I was exterminating, but I was doing it voluntarily because I don't believe that anybody should live with roaches like Ama and ignorant assuming police officers that already assume your guilt. Look, just because I have a spoon does not mean that I'm cooking crack and smoking crack, okay? Now, I've been with that habit before, and I decided to retire. And sometimes I like to eat in my bedroom, okay? And if the spoon is left behind, doink, there it goes. Doesn't mean that I'm smoking crack and cooking crack. And here's a message to you, Ama. There's to you, and I'm glad you're suffering the consequences of your actions. You attacked me on my front porch, you fucking idiot Islamic bitch. Islamic extremist bitch. I'm not saying all Islamists are bad people, but this guy is just terrible. But anyway, I'm tired of people stereotyping and assuming, and that's the purpose of this video. Goodbye, people. Goodbye, ignorant police officers that ever judged me. And goodbye, Ama, idiot, pussy whipped ass bitch. I didn't say your last name. Peace.